let's see what else we can do. Cityjet 2 with manual paperwork, 40-watt supercharger, 2 cables, and Type-C. Last but not least, the smartphone itself. Here we go, the Huawei P40 Pro Plus, 6.5-inch OLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate. Resolution 264 by 1200, power by 8 gigs of RAM, 512 gigs of internal storage. It supports 5G, it's IP68 water resistant. You have quad-rear camera on the back with a 3D depth sensor. You have a 50 sensor supporting a 100 times digital zoom. And in front you will find a 32 megapixel selfie camera along with another depth sensor. So this is the powerhouse of the smartphone, 4,200 mAh battery. You get a 40-watt charger included in the box, and the phone also supports 40 watts of wireless charging. So this phone can do it all. You've got the power, you've got the performance. You've got one of the best cameras available on the smartphone right now. And if you check out the Mark, it's actually ranked within the top 3 smartphones of this year. So having the best camera for photo and video is important, especially in my field of work. So I really look forward to seeing how good the camera is. I look forward to seeing how the OS performs. We've got no Google services, but you do have the app gallery, which is being updated every day with brand new apps. And of course you have the groundbreaking Petal Search, which allows you to search for any app you like and install it straight away. So no doubt a powerful and amazing device, absolutely beautiful scene. And I'm really interested in those cameras, so I can't wait to do a camera comparison between the Huawei P40 Pro Plus versus the brand new Pixel 4a. So that video is coming very soon on the channel, so stay tuned.